Hi, good morning. Good morning to all the store managers of retail industry. A few years back, I had made a video on store profitability, how the whole P&L looks like, and how you can actually learn the P&L line items and use them, for your store so that you can actually start changing your mindset towards the profitability side of the store rather than looking at only sales always. We have lakhs of stores across India, and the key element in any retail business is the store manager, and his understanding level, his maturity level, his understanding on the profit and loss account plays extremely important role to build the retail store from X level to the Y level and to the Z level. Now we need to understand that how this is possible. This is possible when you understand the store P&L in detail. So I'll just take you to the P&L so that you can understand things, the line item. If you see at the top, you see the first line item is your retail sales which you achieve. Then we have basically the taxes, the GST which we pay, and then we have the cost of goods sold. What is the cost of the material you have sold inside your store? And after adjusting everything, you arrive to the net margin. So the retail sales minus your GST minus your cost of goods sold is equal to net margin. You also make additional income inside your store by selling some space here and there. That is called other income. So when you, from the net margin, if you add the other income, you arrive to the total income of the store. After that, you have got various set of expenses. You have got rental expenses, you have got energy expenses. If you see on the left hand side, line item 12, 13, then you have got staff cost, you have got incentive, you have uniform cost, and then hiring cost, training cost, etc., which is shown here. After that, then you have got the first part was more towards the rental, energy, and the staff cost. Then the utility cost is like security and housekeeping expenses, the credit card for commissions which you pay, to get the sales. That it gets deducted. Then professional and legal fees, which are basically meant for managing the various licenses of the store. Then shrinkage plays a very important role. Then you have got packing cost, communication expenses, traveling expenses, conveyance expenses, other rates and taxes, printing and stationery, repair and maintenance, alteration charges for fashion store, visual merchandising cost. That arrives to the store operating margin, which is called line number 38. And then when you minus the marketing expenses specifically made for your store, one set of marketing expense is the national level marketing expense, and the second level of marketing expense is the store led marketing expense. And after adjusting that, you reach to the concept EBITDA. I would say the store EBITDA basically. Why concept EBITDA is a different thing, because it combines all the stores profitability, and that's how the whole thing works basically. So this is about the PNL, and I'm sure you would have understood by now that how the PNL looks like. You need to ask from your manager the actual PNL of your store, start reading the line items, and then arrive to the conclusion that what is it that you should tweak to make the store profitable. The most important part is the store sales. So If the store sale is good, everything is manageable, right? So you need to understand that how store sales plays very important role in managing your business. Yes, in pandemic the businesses have gone down and all this happened, but then in coming times we'll go back to the normalcy, and then you will see that you need to really look at everything with different lens. With this, I would end the topic, and all the best to you guys. Do well in your life, and I would suggest that please subscribe to this channel. This is not meant for monetization, but this is basically for transferring knowledge to everybody around us, basically. Thank you.